Hello.
Hello.
Yes, welcome to your speaking test today for Academy Stars 2, Unit 9 and 10. Okay, so are you ready to begin your speaking test?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So, but before that, can you introduce yourself first? Oh, yeah. What is your name?
My name is Mary.
And how old are you, Mary?
I'm
Yes, how old are you?
I'm 10 years old.
All right, and how are you today? How do you feel today?
I'm happy.
You are happy, nice to know that. So we will now begin your speaking task. Okay, so let's start with the part one. Okay, so look at the picture, Mary. Look at the living room. Can you tell teacher what are the objects you can see in the living room?
Um, I can see a living room.
No, you can see.
I can see
Yeah. What objects you can see in the living room?
I can see a sofa,
Mm-hmm.
a bed,
Mm-hmm.
and a table.
Very good. How about in the kitchen? What can you see in the kitchen?
I can see a cupcake.
Mm-hmm. What's this?
Um, it's a
Here.
chair,
And
and table.
yes, and we can also see a stove, cabinets, and refrigerator. How about in the bedroom? What can you see in the bedroom?
I can see a bed, a window,
Mhm,
a cupboard,
mhm.
and a bowl.
Yes, very good. How about in the bathroom?
I can see a shower,
Mm-hmm,
a cupboard,
mm-hmm,
a
mm-hmm.
toilet,
Okay, that's a bowl. And this is?
um,
Yes.
glasses,
Yes, that's a mirror and sink. Okay. Very good, Mary. So let's move on to the part two. Can you tell me, Mary, what's this?
um,
Yeah, what's this? It's a.
is a
Mhm. It's a stove. Yes, a stove. Yes, where you can see a stove. What part of the house you can see a stove?
the kitchen.
Yes, can you move it there? Very good, Mary. Yes, we can see a stove in the kitchen. How about this?
Um, television.
Yes, it's a television. Okay, where you can see a television?
In the living room.
Okay, and can you put it there? Okay, very good, Mary. And next is
Um, the car.
that is a bookcase. Can you
It's a
say
bookcase.
yes? Where you can see a bookcase, Mary?
I can see a bedroom.
You can see it in the bedroom. Can you move it to the bathroom? Okay, very good, Mary. And next is
Is a
wardrobe.
rifle.
Yes, where you can see a wardrobe.
I can see a bedroom too.
Yes, you can see it's in the bedroom. Okay, can you put it there? All right, very good, Mary. And next is
Is a
tub.
tub.
Yes, where you can see a tub.
I can see a bathroom.
Okay, can you put it in the bathroom? Okay, next, Mary is a.
Bathroom.
Okay, that is a lamp. Okay, this one is a lamp. Okay, where you can see a lamp and a side table.
I can see
You can see it.
I can see
Yes,
it
in.
in
Okay, in the living room. Okay, very good, Mary. Okay, so let's move on to the third part of your speaking test. You can see four picture here. You will use these four pictures in making a story. So can you make a story for the picture one?
Um, we
Mm-hmm.
go
Yes.
went to the big park.
Wow, you and your friend went to the big park. And what do you do in the picture too?
The girl,
My friend, again, my friend.
my friend, we
Okay.
said
Okay, she took
it was 11.
a picture
A picture 11
of an,
of an 11
yes, elephant.
elephant.
Yeah, she took a picture of an elephant. And for the third picture,
Friend,
my friend
my friend,
fed,
my friend,
fed
fed
the
the
giraffe.
giraffe.
Yes, and the last picture, we
We
went.
went to go home
Yes, we went home very happy. Can you say that?
very happy.
Can you say that again? We went home.
We went home very happy.
Okay, very good, Mary. And for the last part of your speaking test, let's answer some question. What is your favorite room in your house?
My favorite room is bedroom.
Is your bedroom? Why do you like bedroom?
I can sleep and
In
study.
and study. And what do you usually do your where do you usually do your homework?
I usually
Do
do my homework in living room.
in the living room. And which one do you prefer? Watching TV or reading books?
I prefer
Mhm.
watching TV.
Okay, you prefer watching TV. Can you tell me the different rooms in your house? Yes, can you tell me the different rooms in your house?
My TV,
Okay, my house
my house,
has
my house,
has
my house
has
has
living room.
living room, uh, bedroom,
Mm-hmm.
bathroom, dining room,
And
and kitchen.
very good. Tell me the members of your family. How many are you in the house?
Mm,
We are
we are five
in the family.
in the family.
Okay, so you have five members of your family. Okay, and where do you usually go out with your family? Where do you usually go out with the family? You go to the mall, to the zoo, to the market, to the church. Yeah, my family
My family
usually.
usually go to the house.
Okay, and which one do you prefer, going to the zoo or to the playground?
The playground
You prefer playground. Why do you like playground?
because
I can.
I can play
You can play in the playground. Okay. And what is your favorite lesson in Academy Stars 2?
I
My favorite lesson
my favorite lesson
is
in
Academy
Academy
Stars 2
Star so
is
in
is
is bedroom.
oh, it's about the house. It's about the parts of the house. That is your favorite. Okay, very good, Mary. So keep on practicing. Okay, so keep on practicing at home, and I'll see you again on our next speaking test. Okay, great job, Mary. So that's the end of our speaking test. Okay, can you say goodbye? Bye. Okay, job well done. Bye bye, Mary.